You have called and I have come. Right? I am your well-wisher, K.S. Chaudhary. Right? Okay, my nice viewers, you are. Welcome to your channel. Here we will talk about that necessary 2 plus section first. बोलना जरूरी है क्या? क्या आप लगाए? क्या बोलना जरूरी है? It is necessary to speak now. अभी बोलना जरूरी है. अब आप बोले क्या बोलना जरूरी है? Is it necessary to speak now? क्या अभी बोलना जरूरी है? Is it necessary to speak now? This talk. ये ओके ये बात बोलना भी जरूरी है क्या? आप बोल सकते हो आप. It is very nice topic. Right? Talk. It is necessary for all students to come on time in the school. ये नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखने के लिए बहुत काम आता है. It is necessary for the all students to come in a uniform in the school. It is necessary for to wear uniform for all students. सभी विद्यार्थियों को ड्रेस पहनना बहुत जरूरी है. Necessary. We can write down. Yes, it is necessary. Okay, tell me one. Is it necessary to take food? क्या खाना खाना जरूरी है? अब आप मुझे इन कमेंट्स में बताइए. Is it necessary to eat food or not? Is it necessary to eat food or not? Tell me. No, I am saying no. I am saying no. I am saying right or no? I am saying no, it is not necessary to take food. खाना खाना कोई जरूरी नहीं है. It is not necessary to take food. Yeah, no, it is not. Okay, it is not necessary to eat food. Right? We can eat fruits. We can survive. Sorry. Right? We can eat food ना. We can eat food. हम food भी खा सकते हैं, survive कर सकते हैं ना. We can eat food. Right? We can eat food and we can survive easily. So it is not necessary. One thing is necessary. Right? What? Tell me what? One thing is necessary. It is necessary to take oxygen. It is necessary to take ऑक्सीजन. राइट? ऑक्सीजन लेना तो जरूरी है भाई. ऑक्सीजन नहीं लोगे तो यू विल बी डेड बॉडी, कॉर्प्स, लाश हो जाएंगे आप. राइट? सो इट इज नेसेसरी टू टेक ऑक्सीजन. इट इज नेसेसरी टू ड्रिंक वाटर. Water, you can take any liquid things, then you can survive, but it is necessary to drink. Okay, but it is not necessary. It is not necessary to take food. We can eat fruits and we can survive. Lot of persons, they take only food and they are surviving. Right? खा रहे हैं और survive कर रहे हैं. So in this way we can speak now. फालतू की बात करना जरूरी है क्या अभी? आप बोल सकते हैं अभी फालतू की बात करना जरूरी है. It is necessary. It is necessary to speak nonsense talk now. बोल सकते हैं आप. It is necessary. Party is going on. पार्टी चल रही है एंड ऑल पर्सन्स आर टेकिंग एंजॉय. तो ये फालतू की बात करना जरूरी है. ऑल पर्सन्स आर टेकिंग एंजॉय, सब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी. राइट? या इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. राइट? इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू डू एंगर. इट इज नेसेसरी. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू डू एंगर. राइट? गुस्सा करना जरूरी नहीं है. और मैंने कहा गुस्सा करना जरूरी है क्या? इट इज नेसेसरी टू डू एंगर. यस, समटाइम इट इज नेसेसरी टू शो आवर इम्पोर्टेंस. otherwise person will not give regards. That's why it is necessary to show anger sometime, but always or forever it is not necessary, right? It's very nice topic. It is necessary to earn money. It is necessary, पैसे कमाना जरूरी है कि भाई? It is necessary to earn money. Tell me, क्या पैसे कमाना जरूरी है? मैंने बोला क्या पैसे कमाना जरूरी है, तो इज इट नेसेसरी. पैसे कमाना जरूरी है तो इट इज नेसेसरी. मैंने कहा क्या पैसे कमाना जरूरी है, तो बोलेंगे इज इट नेसेसरी टू अर्न मनी. पैसे कमाना जरूरी है, इट इज नेसेसरी. और मैंने कहा क्या पैसे कमाना जरूरी है, इज इट नेसेसरी टू अर्न मनी. यस, इट इज नेसेसरी टू अर्न मनी फॉर मैरिड person. Right? For married person. It is necessary to earn money for married person. Right? For bachelor it is not necessary. Parents arrange food, parents arrange clothes, तो bachelor का चल जाता है, it's good. But for married person it is necessary to earn money, right? Okay, tell me one thing, that it is necessary to get married. शादी करना जरूरी है क्या? No, it is not necessary to create headache for life. It is not necessary to get married. Lot of person they have not done, right? Is it necessary to get married? Question is that, is it necessary to get married? Question mark. Is it necessary to get married? I think it is not necessary to get married. Yeah. What do you think, that it is necessary? Yes. It is necessary to get marriage. No, it is not necessary to get married. We can speak like this. No, it is not necessary to get married. No, it is not necessary to get marriage. Married. It is not necessary to get married. Without getting married, we can survive. Right? Yes. It is necessary. Okay, tell me one thing, that it is necessary to educate the girls or it is necessary to educate the boys. Question is that, is it necessary to get, okay, educate a girl or a boy? Question is that, okay, too much necessary to get educate the girls or it is necessary to educate the boy? What do you think that? Sir, आप कहेंगे सर बॉय के लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है. It is necessary for boy to earn money. That's why boy is necessary. Okay? Yeah. I think yeah, in the future girls have to make chapati. क्या करना है इनको? चपाती तो बनानी है. वो क्या पढ़ने लिख के करना है? घर के काम ही तो करने हैं. They have to do domestic work. Right? So it is not necessary. It is your wrong thinking. Okay? Yes. It is necessary to educate. It is too much necessary. It is too much necessary to, okay, to get education. Here come okay, education टू द गर्ल्स, लड़कियों को देना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, it is not necessary, it is not too much necessary to educate the girls. Both are necessary, but boy have lot of options to earn money. कोई क्राइसिस आ गई, कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो वो पैसा कमा सकते हैं. He can apply stall and hand cart. कोई लगा ली stall and hand cart, they can earn now. But what crisis come, a girl what do? क्या करेगी एक लेडी? She will go in other home and clean utensil. Utensil means होता है बर्तन. बर्तन साफ करने के अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है उसके पास में. If she is not educated, यदि वो पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है तो. So it is my thinking, it is necessary, it is too much necessary to get education to the girls. Girls के लिए बहुत जरूरी. Boys have, gents have lot of option. They go in a street as a hawker, sell things. बेच सकते हैं वो तो easy. But girls, अच्छा आप ये बताइए आपकी स्ट्रीट में कितने आते हैं? In a street 1 and 2 I think hawker come as a girl, but mostly 100% come gents, hawkers. Come na, vendor, hawkers, they come in a street to sell things. But lady have no options. Lady can't go to sell the things. Okay, so according to me, it is too much necessary to get education to the girls to face the future problem. They can, right? So it is necessary to get the education for the both, but too much necessary to get the education for the girls. Girls के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, right? So it is very nice topic. Please subscribe my channel. Where you have gone? कहाँ गए? रुकिए. Stop. Okay, yes. Share my video and subscribe my channel. You will do. I know. You are very nice person. I like my viewers too much. Right? Yeah, so it is necessary, okay, to give your support for me. मेरे लिए. Okay, it is necessary. Okay, yeah, I want. That's why, yeah, it is necessary to make video for me, and it is necessary to. It is not necessary for you to watch my video, right? It is not necessary to like my video. It is not necessary to present comments, but it is your love for me, so you will do. I know very well. Yes, it is not necessary, but you will do. So it is very nice topic. कपड़े खरीदना जरूरी है क्या? It is necessary to purchase clothes. Mother always say, you have already lot of clothes. बहुत सारे तेरे पास. You have already lot of clothes. Okay? Yes. तो बच्चा कहता no. It is not necessary to purchase clothes. You have, but I have no. For new party, new dress. So it is necessary for me to purchase clothes. Okay? Yeah. So in this way you can learn and present also. गुस्सा करना जरूरी है क्या अभी? It is necessary to do anger. You can say, right? बोलना जरूरी है अभी मेरे बीच में. It is necessary to speak between me in this way. Okay? Yes. Bye. Next video will be too much good. Okay.